Alright, I came across this Lexus RCF today on Craigslist for sale. It's out of Lansing, Michigan. The guy's asking 75 grand for it and it looks like a heck of a deal. These are powerful cars to start with, let alone all the mods this guy has done to this vehicle. I mean, the money spent in this vehicle is unbelievable. I'm trying to show you pictures of it, and I'm going to show you pictures of another vehicle with the same body kit, same kind of setup, just to give you different visual look of it, seeing different colors. So this vehicle has a PanDem wide body kit, also known as Rocket Bunny, which is like a $10,000 plus body kit. It has, looks like Rohana 3-piece wheels. Those are probably going to cost, I'm going to guess, $8,000 to $10,000 for wheels and tires. The AirLift suspension, I don't even know. I'm going to guess at least $2,000 to $4,000. Armitrix exhaust, that's probably a $4,000 to $5,000 exhaust. He's also claiming that it makes 700 wheel horsepower. He says it's tuned, has headers, a methanol injection kit. The car has 42,000 miles on it. I mean, 75,000 sounds like a lot of money, but just the money of all these mods is unbelievable. I personally don't like the vinyl wrap that's on the car, and the car being black doesn't show the body lines and doesn't really show off much. That's why I'm showing these other pictures of the color changing one or color shifting one. If I was to buy the vehicle, I would re-powder coat the wheels and I would re-vinyl wrap the car, just to show off like the body lines of this body kit. I mean, the money that he spent on this is unbelievable. Let me know what you guys think of this. It's a, you know, first off, it's a V8 Lexus, which is this unbelievable car. If it does have 700 horsepower, I can only imagine how much fun this car is. But I think his name's Javier. I'll put his phone number below. Like I said, it's for sale on Craigslist right now, if anybody's interested. But this thing just looks unbelievable. It has so much more potential than the black and the vinyl wrap that's going on right now. But if you guys have any comments, any questions, feel free to drop that below. But hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.